Now, if you just found out about dropshipping, that's awesome. It's an amazing business model, especially if you are just starting out with online business and with e-commerce. And if you've been wanting to build your own Shopify store and start an online passive income business, this video is the perfect video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be giving you information that is literally in courses that cost $3,000, $4,000, and I'm going to give it to you all for free. So this video is designed to be a complete A to Z, 0 to 100, entire step-by-step tutorial, including how to design your store, as well as running Facebook ads, running Instagram ads, the best sources of traffic. Now, I've also been getting asked a lot to do this particular video lately because there's a lot of videos out there and there's some really great videos too. But the thing is that they're all old. They're all from 2017, 2018. I've been in e-commerce for a few years now. And trust me, since I started, things have changed a lot. Things change every single day, every single month. And that's why I'm happy to be presenting this video to you today and making this video, because it's fully up to date and it has the best strategy to succeed the fastest possible way, so you can go quit your 9-to-5 job forever and replace it with a profitable online business with Shopify Dropshipping. Now, I'm also tired of other YouTubers showing you how to build dropshipping stores using just Oberlo and AliExpress, copying products from AliExpress and using an app called Oberlo just to paste it on a store. Now, this may have worked in 2017, early 2018. Trust me, this doesn't work anymore. I tried it myself when I first got into dropshipping, and let me tell you, it's just the short-term way of doing things. If you want to truly have success in your life, the only way to do it is by focusing on the long term. And this video is going to be showing you how to actually build a long-term business with Shopify where it's going to be putting money in your pocket every single month for years to come, and something that you'll have as an asset that you can later on maybe pass down to your kids or sell later, for an actual price, like millions of dollars if you scale it up to that. I'm going to be showing you my strategy that I personally developed and that I personally use on my stores, and stores that I've taken to 8 figures per year, which is $10 million per year, which is fully possible. This isn't something crazy in e-commerce, especially when you're selling something at $50 or $100 per unit. You can see that it doesn't take all that many units to actually get to those numbers. So this is called branded dropshipping. And branded dropshipping, I believe, is the future. And trust me, I've done millions of dollars in online sales. Branded dropshipping is the future because you're actually building a brand. You're taking a product and you're building an actual brand out of it with complementary products. If you look at any successful e-commerce store out there, it's a branded store, right? And they probably start off as dropshipping. And so, with dropshipping, if you're not really too familiar about what exactly the business model is, it's really amazing for a beginner, for someone starting out, because there's literally no risk. When you're starting out, the only things you have to pay for is, the Shopify plan. So it's like first 14 days, you get a free trial. Then it's like, about $29 a month. And then you might have to pay for the domain name. Okay, that's $20, $30. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not really much else that you have to pay for with dropshipping. And the beautiful part about dropshipping is that you don't take any inventory risk that you're taking with something like Amazon or something else, right? So at the beginning with dropshipping, you can truly test out if a product is good. You can build a branded dropshipping store, and you don't even have to order any units. You don't have to order 100 or 1,000 units, right? There's a lot of suppliers out there that will dropship for you with a logo, and they'll do it very well. They'll do it with good packaging, with good branding design that you'll create, and I'll show you how to do that as well. And so that way you're not taking any risk on inventory, and when you're actually going to get customers on your store to pay for your product, then and only then you will send the money and pay your supplier. And let's say if someone pays you $50 on your store and you pay for the product $10 to your supplier, then you pocket the difference between, so it's $40 minus your ad cost. So let's say for ads, you spent $10 to acquire the customer, so $30 is your profit. And so that's why dropshipping is amazing, especially when you're starting out. Now in this video, it's going to be a complete tutorial, and I'm going to make it so you can skip to each part individually. I'm going to put a timestamp below in the description of every single different part. We're going to go over how to choose the right product. We're going to go over how to create and design your store, the themes, the apps, all the technical stuff, installing your Pixel, Google Analytics, your payment methods, your shipping zones. We're also going to go over email marketing, and as well, I'll also show you Oberlo, even though I'm personally not a fan, but I'll also show you how to use that as well if you just want to kind of start simple. And also Facebook ads. We're going to go over Facebook ads. And I've spent over $1 million on Facebook ads within the past year alone. And that's across all my online businesses. So trust me, I know a thing or two about Facebook ads, and we're going to go deep into Facebook ads. I'm super excited about that. We're also going to talk about Instagram ads, influencers, and some final tips for Shopify success. So by the end of this video, if you don't have a functional Shopify store with a good product, with something that is actually solving problems for people in a target market and a real brand, then you might have not followed it properly, and I recommend you rewatch it because there's going to be a lot of information here.